welcome back to Ashwa and Baby's channel from Tiny Little Sisters. Dun, 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 dun. Today we have our dolls and we are opening the watch kit. This is Elsia, this is Anya, and this is Belle. Let's open the watch kit and make our own watch. See this watch. See this kit. See this. Zero colors rainbow this. Let's open it. Let's open this. This package we got it. This is pink from this. What is this color? Pink. This one? Why do you know? This one? Blue deer color. Let's take this out. What color is this? Red. This one? This is a purple. This one? This is a brown this. This one? This is a green this. This is never mind. What about this? Brown this. What about this? Yellow this. What about this? Black this. Good job. What about this? Green this. What about this? Orange this. This is the building watch looks like. I am this one. You can over and over build the watch and roll it. Now we can take the watch. Now we got everything on the table. Now let's get a choice of her colors. Which color do you want? I want rainbow this. No, which color? Which one? I want this one. Our favorite one is this rainbow too. First, we need to take these two of them. You have this little clocky thing. And we need to put this to the holes here now. And we need to put through this thing. We got this first layer then. Now let's put this too on the upside. We are done, see? Now we need to go to the design. This flower. See this flower? You just put it to the clock. Oh no. That's this is a flower. Now we need to put the choose. Which color you want? You put it here. This one. On pink is pink. Then put it on. We made our own watch, guys. See this. Oh, it's like this. Do you want to make your own watch? Okay, let's do it. Take this two off. I'll take this thing off first and make one for my little sister. Yes, do Emily. Okay. Gotta take these two off. It's so hard to take it. We took this out. Let's do the same thing what we did for the pink watch. Open heavily. Which color do you want? White to white. Okay. I'll attach these two to the watch so you can get it. Got your own watch. Which design? Oh no, a ring. Which color do you want to put it on your white watch? A ring. You can put purple, pink. I'll just put pink without purple. this is so beautiful. Let's try one more flower. Oh, look at this. See this? This pink one also you put it. Now here have a rainbow. Which one do you want? Which color do you want to put in? No. I like this teal color. Violet! Whoa! Put it all in? Now do this. Put all these flowers on your ring finger because these are rings like that. My favorite color of the watch I like is this color and this color and white color. And she's wearing the white one. And I like these colors, and especially teal and yellow. I love all these colors. This is our homemade watch activity we made with all these different kinds of colors you can make when you buy this kit. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Share locations. Share, bye. Peace out.